everybody. We are down at Knob this morning. Here, get the boat ready. Brother's actually supposed to be headed down here and meeting up with me. Be fishing with him a little bit for, I don't know, 3 or 4 hours, and then I'll be headed out on the actual road trip. So anyway, guys, I'm gonna get out here, get ready. Like always, guys, wish me luck. I ain't even got rigged up yet. Brother's already caught him one. Just got out here. Little whopper plopper, caught a, it's about a half pounder. Bigger than a quarter pounder with cheese for sure. Tearing me up over here. I haven't even caught a fish yet. I think he's got, whoa, quick release. Oh, you go, right at the boat. Right at the boat. And he's a whopper knot. He's not a whopper plopper. He's a whopper flopper. Well, my morning's been off to a bad start. So I'm going straight to what I'm hoping will catch me a fish. I haven't caught a fish yet this morning. So I'm going to 16th ounce shaky jig head with the Z-Man June bug worm, finesse worm, shaky head worm. I think they call it finesse worms, but just to try to get me a fish in the boat. About over here. Get out of there. I got something, but I think I got this. Oh my goodness. He's still on there, but there he goes. Oh! Get in the boat! Thank goodness. Skunk is gone. Now I can catch some fish. Oh, don't you even think about it. I got the death grip on you, son. Give him a kiss. Mwah, we caught one. Oh boy. Now it's on. Whoa, shoot. That was a good one too. And he comes. Oh! They're all over the whopper plopper. They just got to get it. There we go. Get out of there. Get out of there. Come over here. Oh boy. Oh, he's a fighter. It's hooked funny. It is a good bass though. Come on. Get over here. It's whopper plopping time. Don't do it. Whew! Finally.
Yours need a snack?
Yeah.
See this one?
Ah, hang on. Oh, yeah, mine could eat yours. That's funny. All right. Broke the seal. Broke the skunk with the worm. Then threw the whopper plopper that had sucked all morning long, and then it just kicked in, which we got storms a coming, I think. All right, let's get a weight. This guy here. Almost 2. Not quite. What do you guys think? Nice, almost 2 pounder. Mwah! Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
You get service.
Yeah. Oh! I just started recording with the old whopper plopper. Oh boy, that's a long ways out. Let's see if this guy's a skier. Get up. Oh, way out there. It's about as far as I could cast this thing, and it hit the first 2 foot. Come on. Get up. He's right in the grass. Everything else. Oh my goodness. Come on. He ain't that big, but he had about a pound of grass with him. Hey, it's a good sized bass. That was way out there. Oh my goodness. Don't even think about it. Another one, kids. I'm gonna guess him just lighter than the other one. A little over a pound and a half, probably. Whew. Oh, he's lanky though. Yeah, that's probably just a pound and a half. We'll get another picture. This one's gonna just stretch my arm out a little further, make him look a little bigger for you kids. There it is, third fish of the day. Another nice one. Uh-oh, brother caught a big one. Mwah. Let's go. Yeah, you got.
I feel a little better.
Is he even still on there? Oh, he's there. You got way more grass than you got fish, though.
Get off there.
There you
I
go.
think half of it off. Oh, they even hook him in the...
Yeah, you probably did. But when they get in that grass, they try to shake loose, and when you got good hooks, it'll just hook back into them. Whoa, that was not a good one, kids. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh shit! I got a fish.
Look at that.
That was quick. That's what you get for laughing at me. Catch fish. A little one. Hang on, I got whopper, plopper. There we go. I wasn't even recording. Brother had a good whack. That thing's a little fish, but man, he hit it hard. Starting to sprinkle. Just trying to get some action going over here. We got him another one. That's a good bass. I think that's your biggest of the day, maybe, isn't it?
Yeah.
Close to it. This is a little bitty guy. Little. Yeah, hold still. And unhook you. Right where we put the boat in. And of course there's a bass right there waiting for us to come back. There we go. Hey, what do you guys think about that big killer? Huh? Oh yeah, he's a whopper.
Small one.
Not too small. Yeah, maybe he is. He's just feisty. That's good, almost a pound.
Probably about one of the bigger ones I caught today.
There we go. Yeah, whopper plopper. Settle down. Get back in there. Settle down now. You done been caught. Don't you do it. I know you want to hook me, but I ain't gonna let you. Well, there you have it, boys and girls. Last one of the day. Give him a big kiss. Okay, everybody, we're out of here. As you can see, It's raining pretty good. We just lucked out, me and brother. We got loaded up, and right when the rain started coming down, did pretty good. I think the biggest one, I think he caught one that was almost 2 also, and then I had the one I weighed that was, I was right there. It was about 2 pounds, but that was it, you know, as far as size wise. We caught quite a few. We've only fished for like about 3.5 hours. He had stuff going on. I'm actually headed on this Bass and Bonsai road trip. So let me get out here, guys. Hit that like button if you like this video. Subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for the bass and the bonsai side of it. Or bonsai if you prefer that. It's actually pronounced bonsai. But anyway, like always, guys, thanks for watching.